My name is Mike. I'm a project manager here at Eustis Roofing. My job is to make sure my guys have everything they need to complete the job up to our standards, and make sure the customer gets the best product from the start and we get the roof done right. We honestly strive to be better. We're always looking to do better. We're always looking to grow and find a better way to provide to our customers and make sure that they get the best product and top of the line all the way through the process. It really comes down to we try to do our best. Our goal is to give the customer the best product, and it makes us feel good if we can honestly do the best that we can do and strive that we don't want leaks, we don't want problems, and we don't see a lot of them. So we really try to give them the best of everything we can give them, and that's our promise to them is, we go above and beyond to try to give them the best experience they can possibly get and have the best possible roof in the market. Jason and Rod and Cheryl and all them go above and beyond to make sure that we're all treated like family. We do things, we have company involvement, we have company trips, company things, and everybody is treated like family, and we are all one big group. We all talk together, we all work together, and we all strive to be the best together. For me, the rewarding part is it's always good to see a happy customer, and I'm a detail person, so I love when we finish a roof and how clean a roof looks and how much better a roof can completely transform a house. And to see the customer happy, satisfied, and just ranting and raving about how great they love it and how much better everything works, to me that's satisfying. To know that we did a great job, we know they're safe, it's not gonna leak, and that we truly left it better looking than it was when we got there.